Looks like most of the officers are here. City of Detroit versus Rashid Amobi-Oriuchi, case number SP 10479-421, SP 12654-701, SP 13998-111, SP 1413169, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 15466-831, in state of Michigan versus Rashid Oriuchi, case number SX 352-45701. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip Walling, representing Rashid Oriuchi.
Mr. Oriuchi, can you state your name for the record, please?
Rashid Amobi-Oriuchi.
Okay. Today is the date and time set for the trial. I think let's start out with, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
You put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Walling went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
By taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to January 30th, 2024, at around 8:02 p.m. in the city of Detroit, area Evergreen and Eaton. Have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Man, yes, Your Honor.
All right, what's the apprehension?
I'm sorry?
What's the apprehension?
There's no apprehension.
Did they give you a ticket?
It was some apprehension. You say on that day, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
There's some more apprehension. And did the offer was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle?
I believe that's one of my old plates to one of my old vehicles. I honestly don't.
That'll work.
Well, he's just not, you know something, you believe that's one of your old plates. I need it straight up. I don't need you to be vacillating about this. Did you put the wrong plate, or did you put a plate on the vehicle that didn't go with the car or not?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so why can't you just say that now? Now's the time to come forward with it.
I'm just trying to get this all over, but to be honest with you, I did not get pulled over January 30th.
Go ahead. You say what name?
January 30th, I did not get pulled over, so I'm just taking the plea deal so I can move past all this.
We're not going to accept that offer. All right,
Your Honor.
What? Hold on, sir. Can I ask?
No.
No, I'm asking you. I'm asking you.
No, let's go with the October 30th, 2022 at around 7:42 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Eaton and Blackstone Street, sir. Were you in that area around that date and time?
Yes, sir.
And what did you do out there?
I threw out some boxes out the back of my pickup truck.
You threw some boxes out the back of your pickup truck, and you threw these boxes out the back of your pickup truck on city property or somebody else's there, and somebody else. This is your neighborhood too, isn't it?
Yes.
You just throw your trash around, and it's not your street, so you just go throw it and dump it somewhere because you don't want to discard it properly. Is that correct?
At the time, yes.
All right, find your client guilty as charged to illegal dumping, $500 fine, 6-month delayed sentence. All right, what are you going to say, Mr. Walling, on this other matter? He just indicates that he didn't get pulled over on January 30th.
I Is January the 30th one of the ones you were going to dismiss anyway, or is that particularly Officer Gross tickets?
That's Officer Gross ticket. That's the only one that he's got in improper plate. That was a plea as charged.
I understand that.
Okay, so what are we gonna do? He indicates he didn't get pulled over on that day.
Yeah, I heard what he said. He mentioned that to me too. I was wondering if that was that's why I was asking the date, whether that was in fact the one we were talking about. Well,
Judge, for the record, the prosecutor, we can dismiss on that one.
Thank you.
We can dismiss. Is he gonna still take the offer on 691?
That's the one charged as a no registration. I sure hope so. But yes, thank you.
691, I have those as dismissed, no recollection. You indicated to me that those were, you said it was an improper plate and an illegal dumping. Those are the two that he was going to dismiss that he was going to plead to.
2 improper plates, Judge.
2 improper plates. Okay,
yeah.
Now I'm suspect caught on body cam. Just for conversation with the person that you did it with.
All right, Detective Greeno, hold on. You're dismiss that. All right, so let me fix this. SP 1413169 counts 1 and counts 2.
Right.
All right. Let's see.
Count 2 is to be dismissed. Count 1 amended to improper plates.
All right. Is that what your understanding is, Mr. Oriuchi?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go and draw your attention back to December 7th, 2022 at around 9:05 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Plymouth and Burke Road. Have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and time, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Operating a motor vehicle.
Yes, Your Honor.
An officer asked you to produce valid registration for that vehicle. It's a 2000 Land. Is that a Land Rover?
It was a Range. Yeah, it was a white Range Rover.
Did the officer ask you to produce registration to that vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
You could not do so, could you?
No, Your Honor.
Why is that?
I had just bought the vehicle that day, so all I had was the title to the car.
Okay, so why can't he take this vehicle home?
Pardon me, Judge?
Why can't he take this vehicle home if he bought the vehicle that day? You're supposed to take the vehicle straight home, or did you drop off, or did you stop off at the dope house? Is that what they're saying? Because this one has the narcotics violation ticket.
Well, the narcotics violation was never in play on this, Judge. So I don't.
This is the ticket. This is the ticket. They was written at the same time. Both of them were written at the same. This is count 1. Count 2 was the narcotics on the same ticket. So I'm asking him, because the statute reads that he's able to, if he buys a car, he's able to take the car home on that day.
I was dropping my brother off and stopped off at the gas station, and then I got pulled. Then I got pulled over.
Okay, so you didn't take the car straight home. I'm gonna find him guilty as charged.
Thank you, Judge.
No, strike that. I'm gonna find him guilty to the improper plate.
Thank you, Judge.
That's a count of talking too much. Because the way, before you said anything, I didn't know that you were taking them home and stopping some other places. Find him guilty as charged.
Don't answer, sir, please. Every time you open your pie hole, you get it worse trouble. So stay the course, will you?
Oh. All right. Find them, stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other matter. I'll find them guilty of the improper plate, amended count from the unregistered untitled. I'll dismiss that upon payment. I'm gonna set a review date in a month. I want the money paid in the month, on July the 11th, 2024. All right?
Can I get a little bit longer? I literally just started back working not too long ago.
Waive warrant fee, pay reinstatement fee. You're gonna pay this illegal dumping stuff, sir. It's gotta stop. That's why I'm fining you 500. And it's not going to, it's not, I'm giving you extra time to pay it. It kind of just reduces the effect to me. Now, when did you start working?
I literally just started working like 3 weeks ago. I haven't worked.
I'm gonna give you 60 days.
I appreciate it, Your Honor.
You just started working. Come back on August the 19th, 2024, and see if it's paid by then. We'll review the matter. I'll dismiss the improper plate. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. You're gonna be responsible for the reinstatement fee, which I see $245 fees. That's an extra $90. I'm not concerned about that. I'm concerned about $240 and the 500. All right.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.